Just you have to do it. Just you have to.
Give me some jazz with a razzmatazz. You are the best one around, Mr. Piano Man, please tickle those ivory keys. No one can doodle the way that you doodle those ricky-ticky melodies. Oh, Mr. Piano Man, yes, you do what nobody can do. Your tremolos are gonna drive you to ruin. Your left hand doesn't know what your right one is doing. Mr. Piano Man, please tickle those ivory keys. No new tunes on this old piano of mine. There'll be no boogie woogie or none of that jazz.